Understanding your customer is not enough. You also need to understand your competitor, not their messaging, their weakness. Every competitor has a structural vulnerability, something they cannot fix without breaking their model. That is where advantage lives. Consider Apple versus BlackBerry. BlackBerry optimized for enterprise control. Apple optimized for intuitive experience. Once usability became the priority, BlackBerry's strength became a liability. That, in and of itself, is depositioning. You don't attack the competitor, you expose what they cannot adapt to. So stop defending against your competitors. Start dismantling their advantage.